no way this is 90. Like, I'm one hand, brother. This is not 90 miles an hour. That's insane. That's just not right. 98. Whoa. There's a truck somewhere here. Oh, there it is. What? Bro, that's a fucking Tahoe with the rear of the... What? No fucking way. It's a Suburban with the rear section of the roof cut off. That's sick as fuck. What a G. And now there's a Jeep that's even slower than that guy. Damn. Now what we're gonna do here is we're gonna pull another Julio. Me when I'm Julio. Whoa. That's a bit of a steep drop off, huh? God, these turns suck. I like going the other way. Oh, the road was wet or something. That was Gumper. MT-07. Why do you... He's waving at me, bro. What was that? I've never had somebody just go... What the fuck was that? I've genuinely wanted to see what this was. There's nobody behind me. I should have checked that before I slammed on the brakes. I don't know what that is. Oh, here's the Ram that I passed. Slow fuck. Alright, we might hang out at these, the back section here. Oh, alright, that's a Mustard. And that was totally in my control. I'm just saying, I saw there was nobody there, so I just rode it out. I could have easily slowed down. I'm wrong on that, I'll admit it, but... Oh, whoa, alright, target fixation. Oh, wait. What, that guy scared me. Spooky, spooky. Yeah, the downhill part, this is kind of scarier. Oh, 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 oh. Like, you can just effortlessly gain speed. This is why I don't have a sport bike. There's a bump here. Okay, not bad. Oh, that's not bad at all. Not bad at all. Good little bike, good little bike. Not bad for a 250. I saw 110 on this. So that was probably like 90 something. Probably. I guess I could put the speedo up on my phone, the GPS one, but then I gotta go back the other direction. And then I gotta come back and I gotta do the same thing again twice. I don't want to be too stupid, you know? Like, look at that road. I want to stop somewhere and look. That ripping through there satisfied my need for speed for the next 5 minutes. Whoa. I'm not a fan that they paint like these arrows. It's nice in a car, which is what it's for, obviously. I guess for a biker too, but like sometimes they put them in the spots that are just like, I'm leaning a little bit here and I gotta cross over it. Makes me nervous. It's just sketchy. Why do I feel like I've seen this car? I don't know. Yeah, maybe we just hang out back here. I do need to keep an eye on my fuel level though, because I didn't bring any gas with me, and I got like just under a full tank on this. Oh yeah, we're in cruiser mode now. That guy needs to go a little bit faster. I'm tired of this death wobble. Okay, that's as far as we need to go. Turn it around. Okay, that was scary. That guy spooked. Look at this shit. Oh no, that's the people. I can't let them get in front of me. Fucking old trike people. Oh shit, hold on. Okay, there's nobody behind me. I'm just curious.